Katsuo-ji Temple has become super popular with tourists. I stumbled across a photo on Instagram with tons of red Daruma dolls in all shapes and sizes. It looked amazing. So on this trip to Osaka, I decided to explore some cool lesser-known spots. Here's a detailed guide to Katsuo-ji, the fun story behind its name. Taking pics with the Daruma wall, postcard stamp collecting, how to make your wish, the perfect walking route, and how to get there. Come along and try to spot the tiny hidden Daruma dolls tucked in corners. Perfect for your next IG post. Besides the beautiful scenery with cherry blossom, Katsuo-ji Temple is filled with adorable Daruma dolls. In Japan, these little round dolls are called Daruma. And there's a saying that goes, fall down 7 times, get up 8. They represent resilience and the spirit of never giving up. They also symbolize victory. But at Katsuo-ji, the idea of victory isn't about beating others. It's more about overcoming yourself, a more positive kind of win. Walking through this peaceful yet powerful park, you can't help but slow down and soak in the sacred, healing vibe. Along the way, you'll spot lots of little Daruma dolls tucked away in hidden corners. Some of them are in spots that make you wonder, how did they even get that up there? There are surprises around every turn. Back in Japan's Heian period, Emperor Seiwa fell seriously ill. No matter what treatments were tried, nothing worked. Eventually, some monks from a temple prayed for him, and miraculously, he recovered. The emperor was so grateful and impressed that he believed the temple's spiritual power even surpassed his own authority. So he named it Katsuo-ji, meaning victory over the emperor. Today, people believe that praying at Katsuo-ji can help them achieve victory in all kinds of life situations. One thing you have to do at Katsuo-ji Temple is take a photo with this super Instagram-worthy wall. There are tons of Daruma dolls lined up in several display cases here, and when you look up the stairs, it's really an impressive sight. These are wish-come-true Daruma, full of positive vibes. It can get pretty crowded with people taking pics, so you might have to wait a bit to get a full shot of the wall. December 31st to January 1st is New Year in Japan. During that time, Katsuo-ji Temple takes down all the Daruma dolls from the shelves. They slowly start putting up new ones in the new year. It's probably not the best idea to visit before around January 10th, or you'll miss out on seeing the walls completely filled with Daruma. The second must-do thing is collecting stamps to make a one-of-a-kind postcard from Katsuo-ji Temple. After you buy your ticket at the entrance, you'll get a blank postcard. Inside the temple grounds, there are 6 stamp stations where you can add different layers to your postcard. Each stamp is a different color and adds a unique part to the design, kind of like layering artwork. Once you've collected all 6, you'll have a complete Katsuo-ji postcard. It's super special and makes for a great keepsake. Plus, the final design changes from time to time, so you might get a different version on your next visit. It's seriously adorable. The third thing you can do is buy a Victory Daruma to make a wish. The Daruma dolls sold here don't have pupils. There's a unique way of making wishes at this temple. On the back of the Daruma, you write down your goal for the year. With a strong desire to succeed, you take the Daruma over to the incense burner to pass through the smoke, then draw in the right eye and take it home. Keep it somewhere you'll see often. If your wish comes true, you fill in the left eye and bring the Daruma back to Katsuo-ji Temple to give thanks. The fulfilled Darumas are placed on the Victory Daruma shelf, where they stay to watch over the next person making a wish. That's why the shelf is packed with Darumas. It means tons of people's wishes have actually come true. Victory Darumas come in all different sizes, and the bigger they are, the more expensive they get, anywhere from 2,000 yen up to 200,000 yen. Just pick the one that catches your eye. If you don't want to spend so much, the Daruma fortune dolls are cheaper than the Victory Daruma. They are just 500 yen each, so tourists tend to go for these instead. Each Daruma has a hidden fortune slip inside. Just follow your instincts and pick one to see what kind of luck you get. After drawing your fortune, you can leave the Daruma anywhere around Katsuo-ji Temple. It's a way of letting go of your wish and entrusting it to the temple. Of course, you can also take it home if you prefer. Also, you can buy these charms for good luck. Katsuo-ji has a huge variety of omamori. There are super cute Daruma doll charms, victory charms in all sorts of colors, money luck charms, exam success charms, study charms, fertility charms, love and relationship charms, health charms, you name it. The most special one is the Daruma bell charm, which comes in either gold or red. Katsuo-ji Temple is pretty big, so if you want to save time and energy but still check out all 6 spots where you can collect postcard stamps, you can follow this walking route around the temple. Start your journey at the temple entrance. Before entering the park, you'll pass through the indoor ticket hall, where there's a giant Lego Daruma on display. After buying your ticket, you'll get one with a QR code. Just scan it and you're in. Then, head to the main temple gate, where you can collect your first stamp on your blank postcard. Cross the purification bridge, and you'll arrive at the Circle of Wisdom. You can walk around through the Circle of Wisdom making wishes along the way, hoping to get a little wiser. Everyone who steps into the circle suddenly goes quiet. After that, make your way up to Ishigan Fudo-do. This is where you'll find the second stamp station. Right there, you'll be drawn to the iconic Katsuo-ji Daruma votive shelf. Snap as many photos as you like. Then take the stairs up to the main hall where you can buy Darumas and make a wish. Keep going to Fudo-do, where you'll find the third stamp booth and a great spot to take in the full view of Katsuo-ji Temple. From there, start heading downhill and you'll come to Tohoto Pagoda, where you can collect the 4th stamp. Keep walking and you'll spot the 5th stamp point. Soon after, you'll see the big pond near the main entrance. Don't miss the Shrine of Ben-Zayton nearby. It's an awesome photo spot. When you get to the carp feeding area, you'll find the final stamp booth, and just like that, your postcard is complete. Before you leave the temple, make sure to check out the souvenir shop in the free rest area. They've got loads of Daruma-themed souvenirs, everything from plush toys to cookies. We highly recommend the citrus-flavored chili powder. It's super tasty, especially sprinkled on ramen. So where exactly is Katsuo-ji Temple in Osaka? And how do you get there? Well, Katsuo-ji is kind of tucked away. It's in Minoh City, up in the northern part of Osaka. It's not super close to any train stations, so you'll need to take a bus to get there. Here's how. Take the Osaka Metro Midasuji line. You don't need to transfer a comma. And it'll eventually turn into the Kito Osaka Chiko line. Ride it all the way to Minoh Kayano Station. From there, head to bus stop number 6 and hop on either bus number 29 or 30, which goes straight to Katsuo-ji. The bus ride takes about 22 minutes and costs 800 yen. Don't worry about getting lost. Pretty much everyone on the bus is going to the same place, so you're all in it together. Once you get off, just follow the crowd across the street and you'll be right at the entrance of Katsuo-ji Temple. The scenery throughout the whole area is absolutely beautiful. Whether you're into taking photos, experiencing culture, or just looking for a peaceful place to relax, we originally just came to check out the legendary mountain of Daruma dolls, but after walking through the whole place, I was surprised by how calm and peaceful I felt. It was like I was quietly being blessed. Each little Daruma seemed to be silently making wishes for everyone, just keeping them company. It added a real warmth to the whole visit. I didn't expect a place this unique and full of positive energy to be so close to central Osaka. Highly recommend it if you enjoy taking things slow, soaking in the vibe, and maybe making a quiet wish for yourself. If you're into unique temples in Osaka or Kyoto, check out these 2 videos.